Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So those who are new watching this video, please like and subscribe. So it's like one of the motivation. So if you like and subscribe this video, so I can do more videos for you all. So that could be useful for your academics also. So whatever we are teaching here, that videos it could be useful for your academics, and also you can get good marks in the exams also. Okay, thank you. Now we are going to start the topic called compound interest. So before going to the compound interest, in the last class I explained about the simple interest. So if you are not watched that video, so you can watch it. Okay, so what is the meaning of principal and what is the meaning of rate of interest? These are all things I discussed in that video. So if you are not aware of that video, so you can watch the video. Okay, so now we'll see the compound interest. So what is the meaning of compound interest? We'll see now. So before going to the compound interest, I'll explain the what is the meaning of simple interest. Okay, so simple interest is nothing but so the extra amount, extra money we can give to the person which we have borrowed. Okay, for example, in the last class I explained about a person A and B. Okay, so he required 10,000 rupees and he brought from B. Okay, A and B, the two friends. Okay, he required 10,000 rupees, so he brought from B. So B has given some condition that at end of the 1 year you have to give my amount 10,000 with interest. So interest is nothing but as a simple interest. So we have two types of interest. One is the simple interest and compound interest. So simple interest, it is calculated throughout the years. Already we have discussed in the last class, right? Now we will see the compound interest. So what is the meaning of compound interest? Now we'll see in this video. Now compound interest, it can be calculated throughout the year. Okay, and it can be calculated half yearly. It can be calculated quarterly. Okay, so we have three things here: yearly, half yearly, quarterly. But simple interest we can calculate throughout the year. So at the end of the period, so we have to give the money back 10,000 with the interest. So without benefit no one can give money, right? Am I right? Yes. Now compound interest we'll see in detail. Okay, so I'll explain. So which is good? So if for example I borrowed amount from others. Okay, 20,000 for example. I brought we'll calculate first simple interest. So for example I borrowed 20,000 from to the bank. For example, bank or colleague. So can take one of my friend. I took 20,000 rupees. So whatever I told you, whatever you borrowed from others, so that is nothing but as a principal. So 10,000 principal. Now he gave the rate of interest is 10%. Nowadays 10%, 12%, even the banks also their rate of interest will be 14, 15% like that. So I'm taking the 10% rate of interest, and he gave time as 1 year. So 1 year, at the end of the certain period, 1 year, so I need to give the 20,000 with the interest. So without benefit no one can give, right? Am I right? Right. Now, so to calculate the simple interest, so we use the formula principal time rate of interest by 100. Now principal is nothing but already he gave 20,000 into time he gave 1 year, and rate of interest will be 10% by 100. So 0 0 got cancelled. Now 200 into 10, so you may get 2,000 rupees. So 2,000 extra amount, it should be added here. 20,000, that is nothing but amount is equals to principal, whatever you borrowed the amount, principal with the simple interest. Simple interest calculated by PTR by 100, already we saw here. So principal 20,000 plus simple interest we got 2,000. So totally I have to give 22,000 to the person B. Okay, so 22,000, so with 20,000 whatever you borrowed the 20,000 with 2,000 rupees, so 22,000. So now we can keep aside this for 22,000. Okay, so I hope you understand. So 22,000. So So simple interest we got 2000, and total amount I need to give the person B 22,000. So we can keep aside. Now we'll find the compound interest. To find the compound interest, so we have the formula called P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Now, so compound interest, I can pay the compound interest. I told you before, compound interest can be calculated yearly, half yearly, and quarterly. So I go for half yearly. For example, I'll take half yearly. So means I need to pay the how many times? So in the year I need to pay in the installments two times. So I can take this one, compound principal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n minus T. So this whole thing is nothing but amount. This whole thing will be a amount. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n is nothing but as a amount. So P already we know that 20,000. So this is about all compound interest. Okay. So 20,000 I brought 1 plus. So rate of interest 10% I told you know. So here also we can take 10%. 10% by 2 times. So we can divide by 2 because we are giving two installments. Okay. So two so 20,000 we are giving two installment with interest. So we'll see now here. So 100 whole to the power of n 2 times. So minus 20,000. Principal will be 20,000 now. So 20,000. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. So you may get 105 divided by 100 after cancellation. It is a mixed fraction. So 105 divided by 100 whole square minus 20,000. So I can erase this. I can erase this all. So now you may get 20,000. So 105 I can write 2 times. 105 into 100. 105 into 100. So 4 zeros got cancelled. 4 zeros got cancelled minus 20,000. So now we'll find 2 into 105 into 105 minus 20,000. Now how much you may get here? 2 into 5 105 is nothing but 210, I think so, right? 210. So 105. So we can take first we will find 105 into 105. 105 into 105. So 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. So now 3 zeros. 1 5s are 5. 1 0 0. So okay, we can get 5, 2, 10, 1. So we got 11,000. 11,000. 25 multiplied with 2. So you get 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 5. 2 0 0. 2 1s are 2. So you may get 22,050 rupees minus 20,000. So here you may get 1 minute 105. Yeah, so 105. So to 105 into 105. Let me check once again. Right. So 105 into 105. 2 into 105 is nothing but 210 into 105. So 500, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Next 0 0 0 1 2. So 0 5 0 2 2. So you may get 22,050 rupees. So if you compare this 22,000 minus 20,000, so you may get interest 2,050 rupees. See here. So here simple interest we got, we need to pay 2,000, here 2,050. So compound interest you are getting more interest compared to simple interest. So that is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Okay, I hope you understand. So even if you see in the share market or something like invest anything, so everything is calculated on compound interest. So compound interest you are getting the more profit than simple interest. Simple interest you don't get that much of profit. So here compound interest we can calculate the yearly, half yearly, and quarterly. So if you take the quarterly, so you may get more income, more more interest you will get like this. So that is about the beauty about the compound interest. I hope you understand this. So thank you for watching. So I hope this video could be useful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.